It's a day off for our employees, and so we're going to show you what we do on our days that we aren't working.
We're Call of the Wild. We own a dog sled tour company in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Even on our days off, we still have a full day of work.
So on our days off, we are allowed to sleep in a little bit. Admittedly, our dogs still wake us up pretty early, and so we usually go check on them in the morning around 6:30, which is typically when we're starting, just to make sure they're okay. But then we went in and made a little bit of breakfast and coffee, and now we get to scoop our entire yard for dog poop. Good morning, Yeti. Good morning. He's such a good boy. Hi. Electra. Good morning.
I just wanna love you right.
The best girl right here. Good morning, Layla. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Gibson. Woo. Good morning, Tigress. What?
Tough.
Next on the list is giving all of our dogs fresh water.
Adding meat to the water so the dogs drink it when it's cold out.
So we're in the middle of our busy season, and some of our dogs are starting to drop a little bit of weight. So in order to combat that, we feed them twice a day. And so I'm going to add some kibble and a little bit more beef into one of these water buckets and give them blankets. The number one rule of transporting buckets of water is just don't look behind you. So I'm gonna go through first with the meat and kibble bucket and give all the skinny dogs more food, and then Michael's gonna follow with some nice meaty baited water. TJ's the girl. Great. TJ's the girl. Sit. TJ, sit. Sit. Stay. Stay.
What's next?
Okay, now that we gave all the dogs seconds, we can go through and give them fresh water.
Yeah.
Okay, sit. Sit. Good boy, stay. You never really worry about them being too cold, but sometimes you have to worry about them being too hot or not drinking enough water. So this watering is extra important for dogs like Anatole. Right. Okay, so when we got done feeding and watering this morning, Michael had to go and work on a camper, and I went inside and I got a lot of behind the scenes stuff done. So when my staff isn't working, I am updating our social media, I'm still responding to emails, and just kind of looking out for different sponsorships. We are sponsored by First Mate Pet Food, so I made sure to make a few posts about them. And now I'm going to clip some dog nails. I was kind of regretting waiting to clip the dog nails. I should have done it when it was sunnier out, but because I waited, Michael can help me now. Come here. Good job. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. Good job. What do you think, Doc? Good job. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Well, they all have pretty good nails. Doc, do you love First Mate Pet Foods? Yeah, it's pretty good. What do you think, Anatoly? Spotty? Spotty? Dropped about 20. That's a really big exaggeration. 20 degrees.
I would say 10 degrees.
10 degrees while we were out clipping nails, so we put some extra layers on. Got my snow pants on too. You say it.
We start both vehicles the night before to make sure they start up tomorrow after a day off.
But we do turn them off overnight.
Well, yeah, but just to make sure that... Yes. No, we don't idle our vehicles 24/7.
Some places in Russia do. Michael, would you say it wouldn't be that bad out if it weren't for the wind, eh?
That wind will get you.
Okay, so now that it's around 4:30, we are gonna start making the food for the dogs. We already made a video about that, so if you want to see how we do that, go to that video. This is what 3 pallets of dog food looks like.
All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling the stitches.
Are you guys hungry?
So before we feed, we're gonna quickly go around and scoop all the poop up.
So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart seems so rebellious.
You hungry, baby girl? Sit. Okay.
And then then we come over here and get straw. We put the straw in the house.
Layla, do you like your new straw? Is that pretty good? You're the best girl. You want straw? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, is that what you wanted? Yep. That's a happy Dolly Parton right there.
Where I belong.
Last thing of the night is putting more frozen beef in the buckets and filling it up with hot water so we can have thawed beef at the end of the day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and press subscribe.
And until next time, stay wild.